that very last target. And I had mentioned my previous video as an objective entry short trade off the breakdown of this primary trend line off a huge divergent, multiple divergent, high divergent, negative divergences that have continued to construct on really all three indicators. And it's good for a 15.28% drop. And really, we broke down. We had that last entry to add your position and or take that trade, and we consolidated here, broke that secondary uptrend line. Then we broke the third one, and that's when you could see a lot of stops were hit right there at that 33.90.56 level off the 4-hour time frame, and that's when the waterfall selling starting to hit. A lot of stops went off right there, and we could measure up here. There's the 4-hour candle. Each candle representing 4 hours here, and again a break off that 34.20.43 off the rising falling wedge broke down, and that's where a lot of stops were hit. And we broke down this secondary benefit of doubt trend line here, and I suspect a drop down to that 28.35 level off the 382 retracement. And that's for longer traders. As far as the active trade here, we do have potential. It's hanging on the skin of its teeth. A bullish divergent low. We do have a somewhat of a crossover in the MACD. Again, nice spot to take profit, but if it starts to take out its previous lows from the last 3-4 hours, I'd hang tight. And this is a huge level off that 28.85.32 I added, and all these new levels I added for newer targets, especially off that 28.30.78 level, which goes off the 4-hour chart, I believe. 28.80, that 382 retracement, 28.30 level. So that's part of the next few targets I suspect we hit. And here's the daily, really zoomed out now. And we're sitting right off that 50-day moving average. So if the dip buyers were to step in, it would have to be right now to try to gain a bounce here, especially off this 30.35.45 price support. But price action looks really bad, and I favor some more targets to be a hit in my opinion.